Hey guys, Kyle here from Sol Vista Roofing, and I have a topic that I am anxious to talk about. This is when not to file an insurance claim for your roof. And out here where it hails a lot in Denver and in other markets that it hails a lot, like Dallas, Minneapolis last year got a lot of hail. Hail Alley is, Oklahoma, Texas, Colorado, and the Midwest. There's a lot of opportunity to file insurance claims when you don't always need to do that, and it doesn't serve the homeowner. It doesn't always even serve the contractor. So I want to share what is a scenario when you may have some storm damage, but you don't really need to file an insurance claim. And let me first start by saying, sometimes it's clear and obvious that there's a lot of hail damage or wind damage and the roof is just totaled because of a storm. And in that case, you do want to make sure that you have a contractor that has the capability to navigate the insurance claim process, because there's a lot to it on the paperwork side. And we have somebody on our team that is fully dedicated to just handling that. But we don't always need to use that approach. So sometimes it's less obvious. If there's been a recent storm, not every roof is affected the same way. So sometimes when you may not want to file a roof insurance claim is when the damage to your roof is very isolated. We've had some customers in the past couple of years where we've had a really high wind event in Denver, and it's blown off a few shingles. In those cases, it's going to cost you a lot less than you're even just paying your deductible just to have those shingles repaired, if they are repairable. And so you want to make sure that they are repairable. And if they're repairable, just repair the shingles. It'll be a much smaller project and a much smaller hassle for you and your household. So if the repair area is really isolated, you may want to just skip the insurance claim altogether. If it's only a partial roof slope that was damaged, and what that means is if your roof has multiple different ups and downs, gables, and slopes, it's possible that only one or few of those slopes were damaged by a hail or windstorm. And so those repairs can take place, just in that area. And again, this is something where a repair may save you time and hassle and money versus having to pay your deductible for a full roof claim. And then finally, if it's a hail damage event, hail can damage your roof. It is likely to, if it bruises your roof in a certain way, it is likely to shorten the lifespan of your roof. But even if there's a known hailstorm that occurs and it does damage your roof, but it's only on a couple of shingles, it is really going to be a lot of a major burden of a project to replace your entire roof just for the fact that it's just a couple shingles. And in that case, it's a borderline question of whether the roof project would even get approved for a replacement by your insurance company. So you want to make sure that you have somebody that can advise you on whether or not the damage that your roof sustained warrants an insurance claim that may replace the entire roof. So that's something that we help our customers with out here in Denver. If you're local, please get a hold of us. Otherwise, if you're outside of the Denver area, take this advice and ask your roofing contractor what do they think about this, or better yet, ask your insurance agent who they would recommend to have come take a look at your roof before you even think about a claim. And that could be a great way to avoid a headache down the road. Anyway, hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.